Welcome children. In this video, let's discuss about matter around us. In the universe, all manifestations, phenomena and evolution of life are caused by matter and energy. Matter is made up of atoms. Atoms are the building blocks of all the substances, both living and non-living. The atomic structure shows three particles in it. They are electrons, protons and neutrons. Electrons are negatively charged particles, protons are positively charged particles, and neutrons are neither negative nor positive. The atomic structure also shows the position of these particles. Protons and neutrons are found in the center of the atom. That region is known as nucleus. Electrons are moving around the nucleus. That region is known as electron cloud. The law of conservation of mass states that atoms are neither created nor destroyed. They can only change from one form to another. What is an element? An element is a substance that cannot be broken down into any other substances by physical or chemical means. An element is purely one type of atom. For example, in a sample of sodium element, all the atoms look the same. Which means if you are breaking down the sodium element, you will be getting only the sodium atoms. So elements, based on their properties, are classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. This is the periodic table. It was created by a Russian chemist, Dmitry Mendeleev. The periodic table contains 118 elements. Mendeleev sorted out the elements by their atomic structure. Based on the number of electrons, protons and neutrons, he organized a periodic table. So on seeing that, we come to know the position of each element. So for example, this is how an element in a periodic table would be picturized. The purple box in this slide shows oxygen position. The 8 indicates the atomic number of oxygen. What is atomic number? Which tells you the number of protons in every oxygen atom. O represent the chemical symbol of oxygen. The chemical symbol contains 1 or 2 letters to represent the name of the element. 15.99 is the atomic mass of the oxygen. The average mass of the element is known as atomic mass. How to find the elements using symbol in the periodic table? This slide shows some elements in the periodic table. The third element is lithium, fourth is beryllium, 12th is magnesium, 11th is sodium is represented by Na on the periodic table. It is the 11th element. Can you find sodium on the periodic table? How come it is called sodium? Here you are seeing only Na. Like many other elements, sodium got its name from its Latin word natrium. So elements are made up of same type of atoms. Compounds, they are made up of different types of atom. So this is the atomic configuration. So the first building blocks of matter is atom. Molecules are made up of atoms of same or different kinds. If they are made up of same kind, then that is known as element. If they are made up of different kinds, then that is known as compound. So what is a compound? When two or more different elements combine, they form a compound. The smallest unit of a compound is a molecule. For example, when the element sodium Na and combines with chlorine Cl, they form the compound sodium chloride NaCl, which is nothing but the common salt. In the same manner, what you are seeing is water, the compound. The molecular formula for water, as you know, that is H2O, which represents two molecules of hydrogen. Hydrogen is a gas. And one molecule of oxygen. Oxygen is also a gas. Mixes together and form the compound water, that is a liquid. So, the properties of these three are totally different. The property of reactants are gases. The property of the product, that is water, is a liquid. So, this combination is nothing but due to the chemical reaction which produces the compound. Some of the common examples for compound is given here. The chemical name as well as the chemical formula. Carbon dioxide. The formula for carbon dioxide is CO2, which represent one molecule of carbon mixes with two molecules of oxygen and forms carbon dioxide. In the same manner, baking soda. The molecular name is sodium bicarbonate and the formula is NaHCO3. Sugar is starch, that is C12H22O11. Water is H2O. Here comes the activity. Classify these things into elements and compounds. The name of these things is given in the next slide. Use that and tabulate. Do this next activity, that is, write the surprising uses of the following elements: tungsten, copper, zinc, xenon, arsenic and sulfur. Thank you children. Have a good day.